No, it's this fucking blade. I fucking hate this map. Fucking stairs. Easily the worst fucking map in the game. Oh fuck, I'm stuck in it.
Same thing as you did. What the?
How the fuck do I get out now? Oh, these fucking spawn points I remember suck ass. The fucking spawning, everything fucking sucks in this game. This fucking map. Fucking hate it. Fucking let me go. Come on! Fucking there. Fuck you, bitch! I'm out this bitch! Fuck yeah! Oh, fuck.
What the shit are you?
Only little fucking bit of subway I'm fucking doing.
For me?
I want this fucking place.
Hello?
I'm not fucking staying here, kid. No fucking way. I'm out of here. Where the fuck's back room? Can't fucking find it. Not this fucking place. No! No!
Oh shoot! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the hell?
This fucking map
What?
sucks. Please.
Get out
No!
here.
Fucking let me go.
Dude, I know you! You're from my other lobby, bro! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! What?
No!
What is that? Oh shoot! Did you? What? What?
Yeah, here, bitch. You don't fucking
Get
own
over
me.
here, boy!
I'm not afraid anymore.
No.
God damn it. Let me fucking go forward.
What? Did you teleport?
No matter what the fuck I do.
That is not even. Yo,
Here we go.
John
No
Cena.
fucking asshole.